What's up, guys? Welcome to Crown Vic Auto, the only place in California where we dedicate ourselves to Crown Victoria police interceptors round the clock. White, black, black or white. You pick your color, older or newer. None painted or shiny. And this one, the movie car, I'm going to be slapping the Crown Vic Auto emblem there. What's up, guys? I'm inside of this trunk right now. I'm looking for guns, weapons, goodies. It's freaking 105 degrees right now. I found some weed, a screw, and an AR-15 assault rifle. Just kidding, this is my airsoft gun. I found I'm just kidding. But anyways, so look at this thing. So I buy Crown Vics, some to strip for parts, others to sell. I search the crap out of all of them, and that's how I make my search videos, where I find drugs, paraphernalia, weapons, and all those goodies and whatnot. Check out this beautiful beast I got right here. I'm gonna take you guys out in a spin in just a bit, but just check it out. This came from Sonoma County. Very nice, very clean. It's got the cage, prisoner seats. It's only got 97,000 miles. Very good condition. I painted this myself. Nice and shiny. Good tires. Nice clean engine. Nice clean engine. Let's start her up. Look at that center console. Running smooth. Alright, guys, we're going for a test drive. I think it's so funny. People want me to come and shoot up the crack house as soon as I find a gun. Hey, look, a pony. Racing car. Do I got a quarter? I need to ride this. 50 cents? Jeez. I only got 50 cents.